This is our protest, 1776 restoration movement here in D.C., right close to the Capitol. Right now we have Maryland State Police here. They just arrested Santa David Rydell, and they're threatening to take our other 3 semis here. This all happened real quick. They arrested David. A lot of police here. The Maryland State Police. Trying to move it. They got a cop in there. They got a cop in there driving Santa's truck out. They're impounding Santa's truck right now.
That's a lease truck to a company. The company has the permission to drive that truck there.
He can't even drive it. You don't even know what you're doing. He can't get out of work.
That's illegal.
What are you doing for them? When they're burning down the building? You just raised the car.
There goes Santa's truck. They just took it. We only been here about 2 hours. They already took one of our trucks. Here comes a tow truck to take away, haul away his semi, I guess. Jared Dan. This is the 1776 restoration movement. We're right next to the Capitol. It's right over there. We're on the Washington Mall here on July 6th, 2/22. We just had our leader arrested, Santa, for a warrant that they issued. The Maryland State Police issued a warrant.
They just stole that man's truck. The police.
They just issued a warrant. Well, they had issued a warrant for him being blocking traffic.
3, 2, 1.
July 4th. We're blocking traffic on July 4th.